am showing you what I am going to do for the Drills and Chills event. I will tell you that August has been one heck of a month. You know, it always is, trying to get back into school and getting to know new kids and getting back into the routine. Literally, folks, I have not watched a single YouTube video in August until yesterday. And that's something. Seriously. So like I've just really been trying to regroup this weekend. I've watched a whole bunch of YouTube videos since I've been sick, and I'm not going to do my regular beginning of the month shopping until next weekend. I'm sorry if you hear me coughing. I've got a sinus infection. Drills and chills. Now, one more thing I need to say. Please do not come at me about this right here. I did not know Diamond Art Club and Mandie Manzano, which is why it's still in the wrapper. Folks, literally, I was like, well, I guess that's a ripoff from Mandie Manzano, and I'll wait and see if Diamond Art Club comes out with it. I promise. I promise. If Mandie Manzano gives the Cheshire Cat, we're all mad here, I think is actually what she calls it. If she gives this one to Diamond Art Club, I'm going to buy it. And I will auction this one off for either the animal shelter or the church. Probably the animal shelter. I think they would like this one better. So, in saying that, yes, I have the Cheshire Cat that I want to do for Drills and Chills. So, they really got this on here. And this is let me see if I can get you up here, because you're far on out. This is a 40 by 50. Oh, where are you? I'm trying to find the camera. There he is. Isn't he cute? I did add a thumbnail to the title of regular, simple, basic. It has a 3-placer. It has metal tweezers, 1 thing of wax, and 1 little green boat without the little spout. Alright. Oh, yay, it's rounds. I was worried when I saw the tweezers that it might be square. And right now, the Alabama Custom. Alright, so these are already bagged up. Give me a second. Oh, look at the colors. They're pretty. And they're bagged. Okay. Not sure what all. Maybe the 5 is, if you look. Okay, so it has the name. It has the DMC number, and it has a 5. And I'm wondering if that 5 means 500. Because you see this one says 3.3, so I wonder if that means like 330. I don't know. I mean, this one says 0.9. Maybe that's the grams, because I know they usually weigh in grams. So maybe that 0.9 is 0.9 grams. Maybe that's the weight. Okay. So, very pretty. All right, well, I'm going to have to check on that. It is on a foam roller. I don't even remember who I got this from. It's been so long. I was so upset when I found out that I got a ripoff, because that was never my intention, was to get a ripoff. So I can't I can't even recall. I do know that I got this from AliExpress. So, oh, goodness. I mean, all of this off. Okay, it is like taped really well. Kind of stinks. Man, it is like a glue smell, I guess. All right. Ooh. Oh, yay. Yep. I mean, this sucker's tight on here. So, we're gonna try to get it to relax a little. It's got a few creases in it, especially right there where that just happened. All right, I need something to put on top of it that's hefty. Well, I don't need you to roll back over. I'm taking you completely off. Stay over there. Just stay over there. No, I want you over there. No. Just trying to stick to the table. Okay, what do I have? Well, at the moment, I don't have a whole lot. Shoot. Stop trying to stick to the table. Maybe if I just tape it. Can I tape it? We're going to tape the canvas. I see it's upside down. I just looked at the... Really? Really? The table just really likes this one. Okay. Stay. I just need it to stay long enough for me to get this paper off. Then, let's see what we're working with. Oh, these symbols are a hot mess. So, if you have not heard, Drills and Chills is a little event that two ladies in the diamond art painting, diamond painting world decided to come up with, and I just thought it was a lot of fun. It is a reason to stop doing the Alabama one for a little bit. I got some, oh, you can't even see. Let me try to scooch you on over a hair. You can see a little bit now. Okay, maybe it's going to act right now. Now that I've gotten the stuff off of it. But this is the rip-off of Mandie Manzano's Cheshire Cat. I don't know what she called it. Oh, it is around. Some of these have training wheels and some of them don't. So this is really interesting because some of them have the training wheels and some don't. And I'm going to pull you down now that you've seen the whole thing, and we're going to talk about it. Yes, look at your face. And see, that's what drew me to it, was this beautiful, it's awesome, you know. But I'm gonna need my light pad for this. But look, check this out, okay? So over here, hello, really close. There we go. You see how like the A, the G, and the K don't really have any circles around them. Then you get over here to these B's and the M's and that lowercase a, and the heart does. So it's like, they put training wheels around some of them and not around others. Alright, here's what's interesting. Let me move you back up here a little bit. Just a little bit. There we go. Nice. The image goes landscape, but the canvas goes portrait. Thankfully, the symbols are going landscape too, but I need to count how many colors I've got. 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. It says 30. Cool. So right now, while we're talking a little bit, I'm going to put the parchment paper on it. I like replacing the opaque covers with the parchment paper because it helps kind of release it and relax it. So, hi. I'm trying. You can tell I've been sick for a week. Sinus infection. There we go. This bottom corner, the adhesive is not on that last square completely. It's like it has folded up under itself. So I will probably be putting glue there. Now, I'm saying this is not pixelated. I'm more worried about the dull colors. If the colors are going to be dull, if the colors are going to be right, then I am, it's not going to be a good picture, because obviously they did a good job with the picture part. I'm not going to slam them for stealing a picture and doing a poor job copying it. Can't do that, because they did a good job with the image. I just wish it was not a ripoff from an artist that I love and I support through Diamond Art Club.